Oh hey, we're doing something new today. I'm Lauren from Hot for Food, and today I'm going to be sharing 5 Hot for Food approved products with you, as well as trying a brand new product that I've never had before, and we'll see if I approve of it or not. Let's do this. The first product is this epic mature cheddar flavor block from Violife. It is miraculous. It is free from dairy, soy, gluten, lactose, nuts, and preservatives, mainly made with coconut oil. I love this. It tastes as close as one can get to an old cheddar. It's not as old tasting. I used to eat old cheddar like it was going out of style with crackers, but it's pretty darn close as I've found yet as a vegan at the grocery store. You'll find this at Whole Foods or a Sprouts. I'm in Los Angeles, of course, the vegan grocery wonderland. This is also available in the UK, I believe, and maybe elsewhere in Europe, and it may be making its way to Canada shortly. I know Canada got the shredded products and some of the slices, but I don't know if you've gotten this mature epic block yet. Now I eat this straight up cold. To be honest, I've never tried melting it because this is the cheese that I like to just slice and break off a piece of that and eat it with crackers. Okay, we're gonna cut some and try it with another favorite product. This brand is so incredible. Back to Nature plant-based snacks. They've managed to make all of your favorite crackers and cookies vegan. Not all gluten-free, mostly have gluten in them. But like they have wheat thin type crackers, they have cheddar squares, they have Samoas, they have Oreos, they have peanut butter Oreos, they have chewy chocolate chip cookies, really incredible stuff. And these are my latest favorite from them. These are like those Rainforest Coast crisps. Have you ever had those? They always have buttermilk in them. They're not vegan. Finally, a vegan Rainforest Coast style crisp. The one that I like is the Rosemary, Pecan, Raisin. I guess there's hemp seeds in these. To be honest, I don't know the ingredients. I just know they're vegan or plant-based. So you're good to go. You can find all of these snacks at Whole Foods. I've seen them. I have seen some of the selections at like a Ralph's or a Vaughn's, but the full selection I've seen at Whole Foods. I've already eaten a lot of them. My favorite snack are these with the cheddar block. Anyway, I usually just cut it like this, break it into little pieces like this, and then eat it on a cracker. Now this block lasts me quite a while. I also buy other shredded cheeses. This one might have too much oil to melt, but to be honest, I have no idea. I think it would work well if you cut it up and then blended it into a sauce, but to shred it and melt it, I haven't tried that. Next up, let's talk about Kite Hill. These are Kite Hill fresh tortellinis made with almond milk ricotta alternative. Basically like fresh pasta. You just boil them quickly, toss them in sauce, dinner is done. And these are amazing with my favorite tomato sauce, Rao's Marinara sauce. OMG. I found out about Rao's from Timmy, aka Mississippi Vegan. Apparently it's been around forever. It's also a restaurant, I think. Now that I can buy it here, I don't think it's in Canada. I never saw it in Canada, or I never noticed. I could drink this sauce. It's like almost better than homemade. I don't even know what to say, and it has such simple ingredients. Whole peeled tomatoes, olive oil, onions, salt, garlic, basil, black pepper, oregano. It's like you made it yourself, but you didn't. Of course, I have the red sauce recipe in Vegan Comfort Classics, but like in a pinch, I mean, I buy this all the time because I don't make my own sauce from scratch all that often. Ho 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 ho! Are you ready? This is the only brand of like fresh pasta I've ever found. That's vegan. I mean, I used to eat this non-vegan version so much when I was in college. Sometimes I would doctor it up with like mushrooms, broccoli, basil, you know, add more stuff to it, but it's also good just plain and simple. So good. Last but certainly not least, my newest fave Hot for Food approved product. Just Egg folded egg. These are not available everywhere. Of course, got it at Whole Foods. I can't help but not go there. I'm sorry. These are supposed to be available, I think, at Walmart in Canada. They also might be at Walmart. I don't really know. I know there's the liquid version. You've probably maybe seen the liquid version. That's available at Walmart as well, and at Whole Foods and wherever this product is sold. But this folded version is in the frozen section where all the breakfast products are, like breakfast sausages and waffles and fruits. These are a better deal. You get 4 packets in the box, which is more egg than you get in the liquid. Not to mention, these last longer. With the liquid, when you open it and you don't cook it all, you have to consume it within 7 days or it goes righteously bad and it smells. Because this stuff is made from mung beans, if you didn't know that. So I'm a big fan of these. You can put them in the toaster, obviously take them out of the wrapper, put them in the toaster. Done in like a minute or 2. You can do a skillet for about 5 minutes. I like putting a lid on it. It gets nice and brown on the cast iron skillet. You can also do oven or microwave. The microwave and all the instructions are on the back. I'm obsessed. I mean, obsessed is an understatement. I'm super into these. These are very hot for food approved. I've been eating them like mad. This box is only $4.99 where I am. So it's a kind of a steal. I also find these are already cooked really nice. Like they're a fluffy little patty you'll see when I cook one. Whereas the liquid is fine. I think the liquid has purposes like, you know, French toast or whatever. But when you cook it just as a scramble, it stays pretty like liquidy. I find it doesn't get as fluffy as these. I don't know. These are just like perfect and like super convenient. I said I would share 5 hot for food approved products. So here they are. And to have the Just Egg on a new product, my have yet to taste new product that I found. This is Croissant Toast from La Boulangerie in San Francisco. Shelf stable, my friends, vegan, okay? This I saw on Veg News on Instagram announcing that would be in certain Whole Foods locations in, I can't remember, I think maybe only in California. So this one perhaps isn't as nearly as available as the other things. No trans fats, no artificial flavors. You know, the usual ingredients that are usually in bread, a lot of additional vitamins and things. It's thick cut. I have very high expectations for this. So we're gonna put a couple pieces in the toaster. We'll try one on its own and we'll also eat one with the egg. I'm gonna add some butter on here as well, even though it's already full of margarine, it says in the ingredients. Now normally with the egg and the toast, I usually do like a sandwich with cheese and like a whole bunch of things, but for this we're just keeping it pure, like I said. Okay, so here is our buttered croissant toast. So we'll put the egg on one, and then I have homemade jam from my friend. Where is it? Oh no, it's moldy! Oh crap. I have no name strawberry jam that I would normally not have bought, but I needed it for like a styling thing. Well, let's just try the toast on its own. Here we go. Now this is the never before tried product for this episode. What do I think? I think I was hoping it would be a little airier. It's kind of dense. But it does have that bit of a chew like a croissant should have. It's just not airy enough. But yeah, it's good. It's bread. Would be good as French toast for sure. Woo! Would I buy it all the time? Probably not. Special occasions only. Now with the egg, I love these things. It's really good with the egg. The thing with those Just Egg folded patties is that it's like seasoned so perfectly. Like it has salt in there. You don't have to add anything. You could add hot sauce maybe and some pepper, but like you don't have to salt it. Wow. This is some heavy stuff here. I mean, it looks a little flaky, but then when you bite in, it's looking a little, it feels a little dense in the mouth. You can quote me on that. Feels a little dense in the mouth. I don't know if you can see the flakes And like the top has a really nice flaky detail. Like it is croissant toast for sure. But I would say the croissants from Whole Foods that you can get now, the vegan croissants in the bakery, are better than this bread. I've had those a lot, and if you haven't seen the review or the taste test review from Chris C. Snacks Clark, go check that out. The Just Egg folded is also like firm like an egg, like a scrambled egg thing. Like when I used to microwave eggs for a sandwich, but then like juicy. Like it has this juiciness to it. It's so good. I guess let's just taste with a little bit of jam so that, yeah, this is like jelly. This is not good jam. Yeah, it's too sugary. But if you had really good jam, that would be amazing. All right, that was Hot for Food approved. For this edition, I'll be back with these maybe like once a month. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you've tried any of these things. Let me know what your faves are. You know me though, I'm really picky. It's gotta be extra special, amazing to make the Hot for Food approved list. Hot for Food approved is something I tried to kind of start when I would travel, like the approved restaurants that I like and the eats that I like. So if you go to hotforfoodblog.com, under my travel blog section, you can see a whole shebang of lists and lists from cities, things that are approved in all kinds of cities that I've traveled to, so check that out. Yeah, I like this. Basically means I get to eat more. Okay, I'll see you next time. Subscribe if you're not already and follow me on Instagram at hot4food. Quick reminder, if you have pre-ordered my book, Hot for Food All Day, thank you, thank you, thank you. You can do this from now until the release date. Pre-orders count all the way up until the book comes out March 16th, 2021. So just make sure you order your copy before that. Last day being March 15th, 2021. And if you've already done it or you're planning on doing it, you can claim your free gift. Your free gift is an amazing PDF ebook called Just Dessert Stuff. It is a book of 10 incredible dessert recipes, all brand new, never before seen, recipes that I made and tested specially for you, things that I didn't get to add into Hot for Food All Day or have been on my list for a while of things to make. Few people already have it and are making the stuff, and I've been posting it on Instagram, but go check it out at the link below. There's also some photos of it on my Instagram, and it's a pretty hot deal. I mean, my book is under $24 US, and then you get 10 more recipes, and there's already 125 in Hot for Food All Day. So that's a ish ton of recipes, y'all. Support, 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 and thank you so, so much. I really do appreciate it. I'm getting really excited about next year because we're gonna have lots of fun stuff surrounding the Hot for Food All Day kickoff and launch. And if you do pre-order, your email and information is added to my list and you'll be invited to the virtual launch party on March 16th or around March 16th, 2021. So we've got lots of stuff planned for that. So you'll get an invite no matter where you live in the world because it's gonna be a virtual event. So lots of free things and exciting things for you. Click all the links below, everything's there, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.